Hi, I'm Blair from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores. Here to show you real quickly how great a product this Mortar Fix can be. So, here I am at my house 4 or 5 years later after I did this video. I've been lambasted by every brickie mason that has seen the video on how terrible this job is. So here I am to show you 5 years later how terrible it's not. So you can look closely, you can see where I've taken Mortar Fix, and everyone teases me because I say drive it deep into the crack. It's deep in the crack so it won't come out, so it doesn't chip off easy, and it's waterproof. So look at how nice this is. Then I used a colored caulk to go through the brick. Then I went back to the mortar colored caulk and the mortar colored caulk and so forth. So these masons and people that don't like my video just talk about how terrible this is. And I gotta tell you, this was a $5 repair. A mason's gonna come in here, take a diamond wheel and grind this out. He's gonna be here all day, 2 days. It's gonna be $1,000. Well, $5, because not everyone's got $1,000 to pay a mason to come in here, diamond wheel, chipping hammer, and break it all out. So here I'm showing you 5 years later, and you talk about how hard it is to get this out of here. Well, if I had to get this out of here, which I'm trying to do right now, you can see it's coming out just like the mortar would. So this is not a hindrance if the mason shows up and wants to redo it. If it is a hindrance, he doesn't know what he's talking about, because you can see, and so this has waterproofed my brick. So water that was coming in my chimney would cause my bricks to spall and break off. Water can get underneath them, and a brick will spall and actually break apart and chip off, which has happened, but not where I've done my repair. So there it is, mortar repair, and use a colored caulk to kind of match your bricks, and no one notices the fact I did a bad match on the color because it's just a tiny piece of my house here, but I've waterproofed it, repaired it, so there it is. Mortar repair in a tube. You masons get to see what it really looks like from MrHardware.com.